Hi guys, it's Astra from Astrophobia, and unfortunately there is no face cam today, but we are going to be brushing out a wig, so it's nice and smooth. And basically this is how to detangle a wig, because most of my wigs are really crusty and tangled, and I need to detangle this wig, so I'm going to talk you guys through it. Yeah, it's really crusty. I'm so sorry that you're having to see this. By the end of the video, I'm probably not going to have detangled all of the wig, but oh well. So, as you can see, this part of the wig is really nice and detangled. The comb goes through it pretty well, and that's what we're going to try and aim for today, so we can go like higher up on the wig. As you can see, here's the part of the wig that we're going to try and detangle. It's really all messed up and knotted, and the wig is naturally curly. Okay, so you want to start out with your wig, the part that you want to detangle, because you're going to need to section it off first, by the way, because you can't detangle all of it at once. And you're going to want to run through it like with your fingers to try and get rid of all the biggest knots, occasionally going through with like a brush as well. But yeah, look, this is really tangled and you won't be able to go through it with a comb first. Not like it's like that, so you're going to need to section it out and comb through it with your fingers like I'm doing here. You can see pulling apart the really big knots, and in the process hopefully getting rid of some of the smaller knots as well. So you have to really pull it apart. Yeah, it kind of looks like I'm just trying to rip apart the wig. I swear you should probably be a bit more gentle than I am. I just seem to really hate this wig in this clip for some reason. Oh well. Anyway, separate it like with your fingers, getting all the largest knots out if possible. If your wig is like too matted to even do that, then I'm sorry, I don't think I can help you. But you gotta try and run your fingers through it until your fingers can run through it smoothly. Okay, now you have hopefully gotten all the largest knots out with your finger. You're gonna be using some of this, which is literally just a detangling spray. It doesn't really matter what brand you use. You're just gonna need to spray it on that wig. If you don't have it, I guess you could just use water. Someone gave me this. I don't know what it actually is supposed to do, but it just kind of helps, I guess. So you're gonna spray that all over your wig. This will make it like much easier to brush it out, I guess. And again, go back in with your fingers and massage the stuff in. And then you're going to want to get like an ordinary hairbrush. Why did I say ordinary? So weird. A brush that doesn't have dots at the end would be better because it won't pull the hair out as much. But you're literally just going to brush over the wig with it, like how you would your own hair. Again, try and be as gentle as you can. This is a sped up clip, so it looks like I'm trying to like destroy the wig, but I'm not. I'm more gentle in person. And every now and then you'll just go back in and comb through with your fingers. Now, here's the step that's like actually really crucial. You're going to need hair straighteners. Put them on the lowest possible setting you can, and also make sure to do a little test on the wig beforehand, like in a part of the wig that you don't care about, to make sure the hair won't like get burnt off. But you're going to basically want to section out the wig like I am trying to do here, because hopefully it should be a little less tangled now. And this like straightening out the wig, it will make it a lot less frizzy, a lot less tangled. It will make it look more like, you don't want it to look shiny, but it will look more shiny, like in a good way though. So yeah, section it off. I sectioned it off into 3 parts. The small parts is like I can fit in the straightener, and I'm just going to slowly go through them and straighten them out. Even if your hair is already straight, it does not matter. Like, straightening is just an essential part of detangling something, so you're gonna might need to like go through it and brush it again before straightening it. But basically that's this step complete. You are confident that you have straightened out all the wig that you want to detangle. You're going to want to go through with a brush again, and this might sound really weird, but basically once you've gone through with the brush, you want to like repeat the steps that we did earlier. So like spray in the detangler, brush it out, and then straighten it again until you think that you're confident you can run a comb through it. Okay, once you have straightened it and brushed it out enough times, you should be able to try and run a comb through it. So you're going to start from combing at the bottom and going up like down. So you comb little sections at the bottom and then slowly start combing towards the upper part of the wig. This is just going to make sure that you get all the knots out really thoroughly and the wig is as silky and soft as possible. You may have to section it out further to do combing, or like go through it with a brush and more detangling spray first. Once you've finished combing out one section, you're basically going to repeat those steps on every other section of the wig that you would like to detangle. So basically, go through with your fingers, spray, brush, straighten, spray, brush, straighten, comb. And then keep doing that on every section of the wig until you are satisfied with your wig being as smooth and detangled and knot-free as you would like. And here is the final result. I didn't end up detangling all of the wig, but I'm pretty happy with what I have gotten. And as you can see, here's the comb going through it really smoothly. But there is one final thing you need to do, and that is spray it with hairspray. Make sure to spray the ends a lot. Don't use like got to be glued or whatever people do, because that's hair glue, not hairspray, and it will make your wig really crusty. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I know it's not like my normal cosplay videos and I like didn't show my face at all, but I still hope it was really helpful. Normal cosplay videos hopefully will be returning soon. It's just like I'm going back to school. Anyway, I hope all of you are having a really happy new year, and thank you so much for watching this video. Again, sorry if it was kind of awkward or anything. Please comment how I can improve. Thank you for watching. Bye!